So what's one misconception about the LGBTQ plus community?
Anang moingon ang mga katigulangan nga ang mga bayot daw ang mga parts sa LGBTQ is mao jay magdaog uwan ug bagyo. Wala man na superpowers in taon ang mga kuan. Kakuya sa no, sa dako na jud kay blessing ang gihatag ang Ginoo kay gihatagan tag powers nga maghimog bagyo.
So dili tanang gays ganan mga babae. Okay ganan sila mga gays nga gays lang.
Ang ilahang giyakas is like for the sake lang na ay matawag na partner like that and showing of love and respect. That's more important too.
For me, the biggest misconception for us LGBTQ is we are a sin, but they didn't know that we did not choose na in anime na nagbinayot mo or whatsoever.
Gamit nilang Bible to kana para makuha ng mga tao ba to gaslight people nga wala ko no kay boy ang Ginoo nga bayot or tomboy here but kanang sad to say we belong to this universe to show love baya mo nang misconception sa mga tao karon.
Well, I believe one misconception about LGBTQ is that salo sila sa lipunan, which is very wrong. Dapat ato na tong tangon sa ato mga mindset na salot sila because they're also people and they also have emotions and we have to respect them just like how they respect us.
Conservative kayo akong family. Ako yung sa kaigsoon LGBT, ako pagumang ko LGBT, ako sa kaigsoon kay tumboy ana ba niya. Murag kami kay dili mi dawat, dili ko dawat sa akong family, dili dawat ang LGBT. Wala sila nakaibaw kung unsa ka good heart ng LGBT. Wala sila nakaibaw kung unsa ka responsible ang LGBT, kung unsa mula pang LGBT, unsa ka mga talented ang LGBT. Like ako sa magingan ko nga ani wala daw ko'y mauman kay kuan daw ko'y anit ako ba tumboy daw ko. Pero ako siya nagipanguptan nga kuan gyud nga di ko makahuman og eskwela karon kay naka-graduate ko business criminology. Then proud kay ko nga nakahuman ko pamaagi sa ako arang away. As LGBT, nakakuan ko as LGBT.
I think one of the misconceptions about queer people is that we are defined by our suffering. While it's true that we go through life having to overcome challenges, it doesn't define who we are. There are things that makes us feel happy. Queer joy exists in different forms, such as finding belongingness in your own body, in your own community, in your friends, in your family. So I think there's so much more about being queer other than suffering. I think that's also my invitation to the rest of the people who want to get to learn more about queer people. There's so much more to know. There's so much more to live for. So I guess that's my answer.